Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Studio, where learning English is easy, fun, and friendly. My name is Anna.
And I'm Paul. We are happy you are here with us today.
Let me ask you a question. Do you want to talk about your home in English?
Do you want to tell people about where you live, your rooms, your furniture, and your favorite place at home?
If yes, great! Because today we will learn how to talk about your home and rooms in English.
Your home is an important part of your life. People often ask, where do you live? How many rooms do you have? What's in your bedroom? Where do you relax at home?
Today, you will learn simple English sentences to answer these questions. You will learn vocabulary for rooms and furniture. You will learn sentence patterns you can use every day.
We will speak slowly. We will repeat many times. You can follow and say the sentences with us.
Let's begin. Let's learn the names of common rooms. Repeat after me. Bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, dining room, study room or office, garden, balcony.
Great. Let's say them in sentences.
This is my bedroom.
I have a living room.
I cook in the kitchen.
I take a shower in the bathroom.
Let's listen to a short dialogue.
Anna, do you have a big house?
No, I don't. I have a small apartment, but it's cozy and comfortable.
How many rooms do you have?
I have a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, and a bathroom.
Nice. What is your favorite room?
My bedroom, because it is quiet and relaxing.
You can describe your home like this. I live in a house. I live in an apartment. My home has blank rooms.
Let's practice. I live in an apartment. Repeat after me.
My home has 4 rooms. Repeat after me.
Now let's learn furniture vocabulary. Repeat after me. Bed, sofa or couch, table, chair, TV, wardrobe, desk, shelf.
Let's say in sentences. This is my bed. There is a sofa in my living room. I sit on the chair. There is a TV in the living room.
Paul, what is in your bedroom?
In my bedroom, there is a bed, a desk, and a wardrobe.
Do you have a TV in your bedroom?
No, I don't. My TV is in the living room.
Example sentences. My favorite room is my bedroom. I like the living room because it is bright.
Let's repeat. My favorite room is the kitchen. I love cooking.
Useful questions. Where do you live? How many rooms does your home have? What is your favorite room?
Useful answers. I live in a house. My home has 5 rooms. My favorite room is the garden. There is a bed and a shelf in my bedroom.
Let's practice together. Say the sentences after me. I live in a house. My home has 4 rooms. My bedroom is small but cozy. There is a bed and a wardrobe in my bedroom. My favorite room is the living room.
Great job. Now Paul will ask questions. You answer at home. What rooms are in your home? Where is your TV? What is your favorite room? Excellent.
Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments.
Tell us, what is your favorite room in your home and why?
We love reading your answers.
You did amazing today. You learned vocabulary for rooms, you practiced sentences, you described your home.
Remember, English is simple when you learn step by step, and we are here with you.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.